Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Yes, the Bitcoin halving is just happened on Saturday, and the new era in the Bitcoin and crypto cycle just begun. So my name is Mike Dankler from CorionX and from the CryptoMinds Global movement. I am bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi, AI, Web3 gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video is a financial advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So guys, smash those like, push the bell, notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. So guys, let's check out our favorite bubble chart. Let's see what's happening here. So we see Bitcoin is up 3.2%, Ethereum is up 1.7%, BNB and Solana is up almost 4%. So we are back in the green. Also the fear of the war just diminished in the weekend. So now investors are more willing to invest, and the sentiment is much better. And we see few protocols like Near say pumping like hell, and also meme coins started to pump. Let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It has 73, so not too much happened. Last week we dipped below 60 because the fear what happened on the market. So guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS and let's see what's happening here. Also be sure you are following at Corion platform and laserpunk_gods, our upcoming NFT launchpad. So interesting time to come after the halving. Let's see. ETFs will buy another 1,000 to 3,000 Bitcoin per day. The fresh daily supply has been halved, so that is because the Bitcoin halved, meaning if ETFs were scooping up 3x the daily supply before halving, they are now needing 6x the daily supply. So more demand, less supply, more demand, less supply. Hong Kong ETFs are preparing to launch with massive marketing and no future short exposure. So no future spot Bitcoin, and also on billboards in Hong Kong you see that they are advertising the ETFs. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has announced its mini fund will have fees lower than anyone else, 0.15. So actually we can expect, because the fees, people will not be drawing their holdings and they will turn this to these mini funds. Tax season selling is now over in the US. This should be an interesting week. I agree totally. So that's an interesting week. Give a like and share. So what the hell? IMF writes a paper about Bitcoin's potential for cross-border payments. Breaking news. Paper sharing the potential of Bitcoin for cross-border payments. A primer on Bitcoin's cross-border flows, measurement and rise. So guys, I think this is the third time that IMF is talking about a little bit positively about Bitcoin. Wake up, see this through. Which one is the Ponzi scheme? This United States national debt just increasing, trillions of dollars, we are here, unlimited supply, not backed by anything, centrally controlled. Or Bitcoin, where the total supply is already out and not increasing anymore, fixed supply, backed by energy, no one can control it. So guys, huge like for this. New money buying Bitcoins ETF are not selling. So new money buying Bitcoin ETFs, and they are not selling. Long-term accumulation by these ETF holdings. So these are the BTS holdings over time. So they passed 500,000 Bitcoin, and most of them is held by IBIT. Grayscale could end dumping Bitcoin with the cheap alternative that is coming. The new ETF that GBTC holders will be able to transfer to without tax implication, and it will be cheap. So Grayscale could stop the dumping. Bitcoin supply and demand. So this is a really nice infographic that they are mining Bitcoin 839,999 fresh from the mine. They are buying and just 800,040, and then fresh from the mining just 1 Bitcoin left, and then people are waiting in the line. So what will happen? So runes, guys, the new craze, the new narrative on Bitcoin blockchain, the rune. This is a kind of like BRC20 or smart contracts on Bitcoin, and these rune stones are minting new tokens on Bitcoin, like Ethereum ERC20 version, but on Bitcoin, and that is why the fees skyrocketed, as we see. So huge fees out there. We are still early in this Bitcoin bull cycle. Under this model, the exponential Bitcoin bull run hasn't commenced yet. How the signal moved relative to the halving suggests this cycle may structurally be a blend between 2013 strong demand and 2016 spot dominant cycles. 2020 was a WISP controlled by derivatives. So guys, so this is a new cycle and just popping up with this ratio. Okay, cool. Let's flip 66,000 resistance to support, and then we can send it if it will break, and that's 69,900 and then 71,200. So we have some buyers waiting on the lower levels, and also we have some sellers at the higher levels. So in and out. These are addresses that bought Bitcoin between 56,000 and 72,000. Cool. Next piece of news is now Bitcoin's inflation rate is lower than gold's. So Bitcoin versus gold inflation rate. So Bitcoin went below 1.4, and 1.4 is the inflation rate of gold, and Bitcoin's inflation is now 0.8%. So this is insane. What is the Bitcoin halving? Why is this generous? This is a nice thread from this guy. Let's check this out. So we started with 50 BTC, then 25 BTC in every 10 minutes, then 12.5, then 6.25, and now it is since Saturday 3.125, and it will keep going down until all 21 million Bitcoin will be mined around the year 2140. So guys, this is going down. So I like this because this is the monetary base inflation and circulating supply. You can download this from here. Definitely download this chart here from here, and also share this. Welcome to a new paradigm after Bitcoin halving. Electrical cost is now a whopping 77,400. So mining 1 Bitcoin cost more than its price on the market. So Bitcoin miners price hits 244,000 on Saturday. This is the block reward and fees per Bitcoin mined. It boomed as transaction fees hit 230. Whew, what the hell. So this means one of three things happens now. Price skyrockets, minus 15% of miners shut down, transaction fees remain a lot higher on average. Expecting a bit of all three Bitcoin's days under 30,000 are numbered. What are rules on Bitcoin? This is a nice thread from Magic Eden, so check out. Rules is a non-fungible token standard designed for Bitcoin, allowing developers to create and manage their own tokens. Okay, it will launch with the upcoming halving. It's UTXO based. Each transaction starts by picking up pieces of Bitcoin that haven't been spent yet. like digital change and uses them to create new transactions. This lets you know that every coin is unique and the Bitcoin you own or accept is a transaction is truly yours. Runes utilizes on-chain data storage in the return part of a transaction. This means less junk UTXOs that can cause transactions to be slow, pricey and unreliable. Specifically, OP returns allow you. Runes has Lightning capability, meaning it can use the Lightning network by using this separate layer on the top Bitcoin transaction. So guys, learn more about runes because I think this is something that will drive the next narrative. How much X will Bitcoin, so how much X will Bitcoin do after this halving? Check the latest one. So these are the different halvings. The blue is the first halving, the red is the second halving, the green is the third halving, and the white is the fourth halving. And now we are here, and you see the tops are 8, 30, 92, and let's see how much we'll do, in this cycle. And also you see the dips from the after the halving, the dips, and where are we now? So I like this from CryptoTrading. So consolidation equals accumulation. New Wyckoff re-accumulation happening according to Scalping Pro. So this is a kind of re-accumulation, Wyckoff re-accumulation, when the price just sidewaving and also just pointing down sometimes, and it has different phases, and investors are accumulating until it breaks the previous highs. Bitcoin dip was a great buying opportunity according to MVRV. What's happened here with the MVRV? So the market value to realized value ratio, momentum 90 days, and when the market value is far away from the realized value, then we see, okay, every time the Bitcoin MVRV ratio was below its 90-day average since December 2022, it signals a prime BTC buying opportunity with an average gain of 67%. This opportunity is up on us again, indicating it might be the perfect time to buy BTC. So the perfect time to buy BTC. Okay. Gaming Emprolab just launched, and also Blockchain Sport is coming out on September. So where is the Crypto Banter party tonight? Some breaking news. This is not just about bringing USDT to Telegram blockchain, but spreading out the several 100 million Telegram app users. So guys, this is insane. Telegram added USDC, so on Telegram blockchain USDC will be available, and also in the Telegram app you can create your own very unique wallet, and this was announced at Token 2049, and I was there, I participated there, and also we had a meeting with Shannon the Sniper, Kai the Loops, and that was a really nice hanging out there. So yes, 56,600 did hold at least. So guys, that's huge. Let's see if we do have other things to share. Bitcoin global liquidity M2s, where Bitcoin price global liquidity is increasing and Bitcoin price increasing as well. And also in Dubai, it was announced that Binance has finally received the Dubai crypto license. So guys, I think these are very good news, and let's take a look at what's happened last week. So the Token 2049 was one of the biggest conference in the world. It was in Medina Jumeirah, really nice place. So wherever you are in Dubai, visit this place. So huge guys, OGs like Roger Ver, Arthur Hayes, the CEO of Telegram, and also Balaji was there. More than 10,000 attendees, 4,000 crypto companies, 200 plus speakers, 200 plus exhibitors, and C-level executives. So guys, Polkadot, Near Protocol, Chainlink, Solana, Monad, and Stellar Lumen, and many other huge chains were there. And also just take a look on the speakers. You find many well-known crypto people like Arthur Hayes, Paolo Ardanio, Tether CEO, Roger Ray, Gavin Wood, the chief dev of Polkadot, and also Chainlink, Polygon, Solana, Near, Ropo was there, Jeremy Allery from Circle, USDC was there. So guys, that was a really great conference, so I recommend you to come to the next token 2049. So let's go and check out some other things. So guys, this is a website where we followed the halving, and you see 4.4. This was the fourth halving out of 20 completed, and Bitcoin price just heading to 67,000 US dollar, and this is huge. So guys, I like it. I really like it. And look at the mempool. So the Bitcoin blocks are getting full with transactions, and this is how we see that what is the gas price. Now it's a little bit down, but it was really huge. And Magic Eden is the place where you can come and find these rune stones. So I think it's better to use a kind of a Bitcoin wallet. I think the best wallet X words would be that you can use, and you find Runestone, Prometheus, Rune Doors. All these are different runes, so if you purchase one, that more likely you are eligible for different airdrops. And also there are some other places where you can mint this Luminex. So you can mint ordinals and you can mint runes here. Just mint that. You see the progress is just has been started. It's better to mint those runes. And also this chart, this other website is almost the same. So you can mint runes here. And also there is a runes market cap that you see the different market caps of the different runes. So guys, let's go and check out our farms. Go to PancakeSwap, buy some CorionX for BNB, and provide liquidity in the CorionX BNB V2 liquidity pool, and then you can farm your LPs here in the CorionX BNB LP pool. Don't use other pools because they will be closed very soon. But CorionX BNB LP pool is here to stay, and you can earn a juicy 62% APR. So guys, definitely is a good thing to buy here and provide some appreciation to us, and then making some yields with CorionX. So let's go and check out what we do see on the charts. So this is the Bitcoin chart. We see that Bitcoin was not able to break this 72,000 US dollar levels, and it broke down, and now it's forming a kind of bull flag. And also the horizontal level at 61,000 hold the price, and price just bounced there, and now we are heading to the next resistance at 67,600. But if we break 66,000, I think this is also a good sign, because 66,000 also another resistance, but we have many resistance ahead of us. Once breaking this 71,300, that we can expect starting a new probe to make a new highs, and also there will be another level here. So guys, this is what we are looking for, and congratulations if you shorted Bitcoin, then you made a nice juicy almost more than 13% APR if with 10x 130. So we are doing on the Bybit exchange. There is spot and leverage trading, but use leverage just if you are professional and if you know how to do that. The links in the description. Let's check out Ethereum. I think I'm more bullish on Ethereum because it was just forgotten for a while and also dumped harder than Bitcoin, and I'm more bullish on Ethereum, but we'll see. It's also trying to break this trend line, but also that was a fake out previously. So this is what we see now on the chart. Bitcoin dominance is still high, 55%. So let's see when the altcoin market will start to pump, then Bitcoin dominance will coming down. So guys, let's join our Telegram channel and see you in the next video. Smash those like and see you. Bye bye.